Hi there, students. Audacious, an adjective. Audaciously, an adverb. Audacity, the noun, or maybe as well audaciousness. Okay, if somebody is audacious, this means they are willing to take risks. They have a propensity to do daring things, to be intrepid, to be bold, to show a willingness to take risks or offend people, a willingness to be different, not to be restrained by convention or propriety. Spirited and original. So he has a very audacious plan to steal the crown jewels. This is brave, daring, adventurous, bold, and in this case probably reckless. He has an audacious plan to do this degree course in 1 year. An artist can be audacious. This audacious work of art, it's not tied down by convention. It's different. It doesn't follow the normal the normal things that people do, that the rules say you must do. It's an audacious experiment. It's a brave experiment. Okay, so audacious, willing to take brave risks, more willing than most people. He is an audacious mountain climber. He climbs mountains audaciously. This was an audacious military maneuver. He attacked audaciously, very bravely, taking a severe risk. Maybe if audacious as well, you were contemptuous of the laws, of the religion, of what people think is the status quo. He told some rather audacious jokes, and 1 or 2 people were upset. Audacious, marked by originality and spirited. The actor gave a very audacious performance as Macbeth. It was original, not copying other people. It was full of life, full of spirit. And that's the idea of audacious. Extremely daring and brave, dauntless, intrepid, fearless, venturesome, venturous, something like that, bold, risky, maybe rash, courageous. Maybe also cheeky or presumptuous, a little bit impertinent. He told some audacious jokes. This is an audacious piece of music. It's gutsy, but it's also maybe willing to upset people. The audacious thieves broke into the White House. His audacious bid to win the championship. An audacious plan. His audacity was stunning. He always does things so audaciously. Okay, so what about formality? Audacious. This is fairly formal. I'm going to give this something like a 5.5. No, maybe I think a 6 to 6.5 in formality. Informally, you could use brave, daring, something like that. Non-conformist as well. But audacious. Keep it to something semi-formal and formal. And then as to origin, well, this one comes from Latin, audacia, or audacia, boldness, from audax, bold. Okay, so clearly it comes from this word brave or bold. Yeah, you're audacious. One of the ways to learn to use interesting structures is to be audacious with your English and invite mistakes, because when you make mistakes, when you're being audacious, you learn lots of new things. So there you go. Audacious, brave, bold, not conforming, different, non-orthodox. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Audacious.